Hey everybody, we're going to make a screencast about a topic. The goal is for you to teach something, to give like 5 interesting facts about something, or you want to just make an interesting video about something of any topic you choose using a slideshow. Alright, so screencast is just you recording your screen and your voice. So first step is to make a new slideshow, slides.new. If you're using Google, which is a new slideshow here, or pick a PowerPoint, make a new PowerPoint. So in slides, you just go to layout, blank, to clear all the like the text boxes, and find some images, plop them in there. So you should have at least five slides with full images or multiple images per. Once you finish that, go to kdenlive. Make sure the screen grab window is visible. If it's not visible, select View, Screen Grab. And then this will show up. Next, you just press the record button right there. So if you press record, it starts recording. So as it starts recording, you go back to your slideshow. You click on slideshow, and you just kind of go through it. You're talking about your images. When you're done, press escape, go back to kdenlive and press the record button again to stop it. It loads, and then you just drag it down. If it might ask you to cancel. It might ask you to press cancel or there's a little thing that shows up down here. Just cancel it. Drag down this screencast into the V1 slot, and here's the audio. Here's your video. And you're going to want to trim, so as it starts recording, you'll slideshow down, slide. So right when your slideshow begins, you move your playhead to that section and right-click over it and split at playhead. And then it splits it. You could also hold Shift and R. Shift R will do the same thing. So just of you like going to the internet and getting the slideshow ready, you're just getting rid of that section. Click on that section you want to delete and press the delete key, which will erase that first set, that of you getting ready. And drag it back and do the same thing for the end. So you're just gonna, when you're done with your slideshow, which is, right, maybe like right like there. You're trying to find when the slideshow ended, and do it again. Right click, split at playhead, click on the section you want to get rid of, delete. That's it. That's how you do a screencast and get rid of the stuff that you don't need. So right click, split at playhead is pretty much what we're doing today. All right, when you're done, click render. It's gonna want to save it somewhere. So right here's the area. It's going to videos. Here's the name of it. So you can call it, my vid about so-and-so, about screencasting. So you can call it something. You could also click this button here and call it something there, and then tell it where to go, like documents, your name, and then just call it something, and save. So that's where to save it, what to call it. Here, select MP4 because it's going on YouTube. It's a 264 H264 is the MP4 type of file, and then render to file. So you render it, and then it does its thing. And then you go to YouTube and upload it. So go to YouTube, log in to YouTube, and press the plus, upload, select files, go to go to the spot where you saved it to. So documents, and screencast. So look for the MP4, and then it uploads. So call it something, add a description, no it's not for kids, next, 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 unlisted, copy that link right there. Boop. So once you copy that, click save, and you're all done with that. Go back to the video editing project page. So you'll see if you go to Firefox, you'll see this. The year to glance, we're on week 7, and there's going to be a form link right here. So click on that form link and paste that link into the form, and that's how you'll submit the work. And that's how you make a screencast of a slideshow in kdenlive about a certain topic and how to upload it to YouTube and submit.